Kunalenyama lengathi igcwele kancane. Ibe lithi ngwanqu. Itsipeke enamo ikhipha uvila like
I'm disgusted by the way men act. So okay, I'm a happy single.
Ngazi ukuthi like nyashisa like nyobamba nyosebenza
bambu baba ngibambe nomntwana
like me kwamanje freestyle angicwanga nje kuyayipenti nje kwamanje freestyle
ngahamba nje ngithi string yodwa nje ngiyasifika like
the tongue for the not the tongue, girl. The motherfucking shoe chair. I'ma kick your ass. You know.
Hey guys, what's popping? It's the way.
On the ride.
Get it again.
So guys, I go by the name Opie O'Brien. My KB most talked about gay guys.
That's what's up.
Hey guys, I'm Shadu Adrian.
Give it to him. My name is Yanela Baddie, the baddest bitch in Mzansi. You know what to do, child. I ain't gotta tell y'all twice. You already know what's up.
You know.
Yeah.
Hey Banyana, it's a girl. I was nearly on the block.
Yes, honey. Yes, honey.
Hi Doilies, it's a gross fish mamizi. Ibodlela lakho le ice droppers and ngimnani njengalo tanki.
So guys, today we're going to speak about how important is fashion. Like how important is clothes. You know. So guys, today of course the clothes, fashion, like everything, accessories, because we're going to speak about clothes. We want you guys to see outfits. Hey, you guys should rate it under the comment section, please, guys. When you watch it, rate the clothes. You know,
we give it all day. Bona. Yes, honey.
Yes, girl.
360. Yes, honey.
Yes.
That's what's up.
Okay. So guys.
Young Bona. Give it to him.
260.
Yes, honey. Yes, honey.
Oh, lady. Today.
Yeah. It's gonna take me a long time to get the fuck on the check.
Okay. Yes, ciao.
I'll see you. On the block.
Yes. Smush my meat.
Mommy.
Yes. So guys, yeah. So those are the outfits, guys. Please read them. And guys, today as time the dog. So guys, we get band or gashisa.
Ladies are bad, injalo futhi nje mawufishe kahle nje on a good Saturday you can feel the energy even outside.
Kunzima ukuba
it's I consider it a daytime job. It's a job on its own. It's like maintaining a standard. That's what a baddie is. You gotta maintain a standard.
Good job.
Melina mawubona mangivela ukuthi okay Jabu Gezi Jabu futhi mangijanga khona abantu bona ukuthi buyi you understand? Babonile ukuthi hayi like, you know, it's that thing. You know?
So guys, we're going to speak on. I already saw our outfits. We're rocking C-sharp. So the second thing is that we're going to speak on based on our outfits. Master man outfit wethu angakubambisa na. What do they do for you? Like let's say for example masengwari masqala kwathi ukuthi le outfit bakayithembe kangaka izoyenzani nase strategy ke bafake
suke ngazi ukuthi like nyashisa like ngiyobamba ngiyosebenza
manje sebeyazi ukuthi asemqambeni amanga
no too like
But you know you're gonna work it.
yes
Not like you're sebenza.
Ngiyabona so like ngikhulumayo ukuthi nje like ngithanda ukuba 6 nje
Yeah, it's a daytime job.
for example mawucabanga enkwarini le outfit ngakenzelani
yo ngibila ye Cape Town manje ngale outfit Cape Town
Josie to Cape Town
Mountain lapha
akaseke nasedele
Hayi nasithi hayi.
really flights manje
akahambi ngebhasi-ke
so like like ngithanda ukugcoka vele like to be honest ngithanda ukuba like
kwamanje ngagcoka iphedi freestyle
angigcokanga nje kuyayipenti nje kwamanje freestyle freeway
bakhombisa freeway ukuthi ihlele kanjani
abekho red
uzoyibona ifreestyle laphaya
nje Cape
kuyagijinywa nje
abake bangibona enkwareni bayazi ukuthi like ngihlezi ngi6 ngiyababa
So now for now, I feel like with this outfit, you know, I can get a lot of hate. I got a lot of potential with this outfit. I can, girl, I can turn this place upside down. I can make your man not look at you anymore the whole night. That's the potential that my outfit gets.
Exactly.
And another thing is, as much as I can get ballers in my outfit, I choose not to. But then it's not a thing we're gonna talk about today. But you know, guys, you gotta look sexy, and you gotta make sure when you look sexy, you feel yourself. You know, you gotta, girl.
uwelo
You know, the
tongue.
Okay.
the tangerish
the tonguing
the tongue for the
Not the tongue, girl. The motherfucking shoe chair. I'ma kick your ass. You know, you gotta be that bitch. You gotta be that bitch sometimes. You gotta,
okay
you know. That's what's up. That's what's up.
mina-ke ne ingangibambisa ayinto okudlala ngibamba ubaba ngibambe nomntwana like ngibambisa dabule like ngibamba umndeni kahle
ayotobi
cause umama bazomjikela babona isitoki esisha
and no mama akalokhi njengawo
hayi ubaba
nje
ngayasebenza yini
so mungafika phike
yothumi nasesileni ngingafika nje fika chumi
Sweet day now.
Dubai chum
Okay.
Guys, one thing I will say, I like nani, angithanda ukugcoka, and mangathanda ukugcoka ngiyazifila, like ngiyazifila. Yabona nje, abangathi nje ngahamba nje nge-string yodwa, ngahamba nge-string yodwa nje ngiyazifila. Like nithini ukuthi nje namhlanje ngivele ngahlonipha ukuthi izolo buke Valentine, yabo. So ngiyahlonipha, like ngiyangizwa. So guys, like umfune, like mangagxokanga ngibamba kabi.
Yes.
Ngibamba kabi. Uyabona mangagxokanga nje ngivele like
yonke indawo
bangatreat.
vele ngathi nje usaphuma nje ngegate
Wazi mina. Maselithi ngithi wena uyangilalela.
yes wena
Laba bathi hamba phambili uzobamba. Bizibona ngizipusha.
no way
Junkie.
And then
man.
actually me.
Job.
Because on my outfit, I feel like you're, I don't know, but
No
I
worries.
think you're,
Girl.
get limon in the taco. Make sure don't fun from Guaco.
Be afraid,
Be
bitch.
afraid.
indoda mayithi iyabheka
Like Tata Zell. Tata Zell.
Iwoninge.
Tata Zell.
Even though we won't go for your man, but
Tata Zell.
bathi tata
Tuka.
Tukandung.
You know, because I guys, you're.
ngiyilale endlini
He wants his
I
eyes
am
off
funny,
me.
but
He was.
you would like. I mean, like.
Angeke wasusela.
You
La.
all eyes on us.
That's sad.
amehlo thuma
Yes.
amehlo
Amen. Mina kuyamehla yakhuluma ke intombazane.
Yeah.
Because mase ngithi ngiyambheka nami.
Yo.
Ngikhuluma enye language.
Ukhuluma enye language
Okay, understand. Ubona amehlo sewathi. Okay, okay.
Now you understand.
Now
Now I understand. Ilanguage.
Kwenzakalayo mara wena ilahle kudala.
So
So
So speaking like in Valentine, Chum, what's really so?
Yesterday, at the job, and then bought me I'm taking that much chukum. So me like marshmallows. Bought me marshmallows. I'm taking like eat ham. I'm taking like eat flying fish.
Yeah.
6x6 I'm taking like eat. I'm a hot dog. I'm taking like eat KK. I'm taking like balloons. She me like but like what's the bill of Bumufuna? That's in your time but I'm in churches no Jake bought me something. I bought her something. I bought him
Nelly.
njengoba ngishile bengingajoni nje kule vali
What about you, Levan?
bekunika sini
Okay, Chum, when I was out in Chum.
No, mina mina guys angithola nix because angithola vele. Mina ngifuna usibosha ukuthi umthengeleni Jom.
Jimmy, I bought him a kepisi like le brand.
Le brand. Oh, that's nice. It's cute. Nah, guys, I'm not jolling. I'm not jolling. So, I'm so uninterested in love. I'm disgusted by the way men act. So, okay, I'm a happy
so
single.
too bad.
You know?
Too bad.
So you came on, yeah? You know?
Disgusting.
You know?
Too bad. Go on, Jake. I can smell a gay from a Milo. Yo, Adele. I can escape from the Milo.
That's all I know, Adele.
Chum, so the guy
Anyway, yeah. So
Adele.
I'm not
Tied with kids.
Oh, okay. Ngifuna next week because umuntu uyasebenza guys. So it's away. Uyabuya nje next week so celebrate.
Guys, I'm tonight next in Valentine.
kanjani
Actually, because like what's this thing?
Akaholi.
But he's promising something.
Just to know
And he doesn't even know what I want, so he was What's our phone? Not to be a podcast make the rest. Because because we don't go to into the light. I was like, okay.
Oh, she was we have research. Research. Oh, that's nice. Oh,
Ngathi nje uzokuthenga into like emgadla mina ngikutshele like ngathi amadlozi ama ngitshela something like ngathi angitshela ukuthi like something in apple lenywe emuva so yes like ijabu
understand this.
Oh, iPhone. Paid la nizoyithi ukuthenga nsi.
imobile twine
Obatage.
So vele iPhone nje hey nawe Amazing guys, yeah. So the second thing we're going to talk about how important our outfit is, or what we can do with them. So we want to speak about creating, it's styling, upon clothes, because don't say like Basha guys. Pelatina soroka every day. You have to be now to be skate is rock.
Lento ukuthi noma sesigqokile nje bazothiwa wena uswenkile.
Yeah, but I feel like no matter whatever, stokumpecho. Stoke kahle impahla because guys mangikhuluma ngompecho ngikhuluma ngempahla ezokuthi we start show me.
No, I was too. We are style. It's not on page.
It's something else.
Because they're all
it's fashion. No,
it's not
fashion.
I'm a fluffy one. Something hand like.
No. No, I understand about fashion. Because when I'm doing fashion, the outfits that I go for the most. In everything that I wear, I have an accessory that I put on. I don't just wear it anyhow. That is why the impatlas these chains that I put on, I'm not putting them on for just because I'm from England. It has a specific purpose and it adds onto the outfit. That's styling on its own. Do you know what I mean? Like yonkinto is styling. Why? You know what I mean? I started from scratch. It can be just a dress, but mangi kogile. Ngeke nje outfit ifithe the way you style it.
Yeah, yes, stylish.
Yeah, so it's styling enjalo atsumpecho, it's style, it's styling. So when you got style, you better rock your chair. Because my outfits are crazy. My shit, I've got some clothes that I don't wear, like dresses, proper dresses that I should be wearing when I'm going out. I don't wear those. I decide to make an outfit on my body, something that's going to be tailor-made, something that's going to be different from everyone when I get there. Do you know what I mean? I decide to make it tailored, like especially on my body. I don't want to, because there was a time I was really green. Last the week thing, last week there was a girl who was wearing it, and then I was wearing it the day before. I think we going the day before. Really green. The next day, I need to have okay, look for it. I think because it told me and we are all a child. I see because I don't want uniform. You understand?
Mount corner.
Nah. Mount your
way. Yeah. This squad running.
Mall so na plates. Ubutita uyazibona. Uyaya maruzibona ubuya.
Ubuya Jimmy makahle ke uyangizina.
Uzokushwaya.
Kakushwayela ukuthi ophiya kakazila ukushwayela. Uthi ophiya kakeke ophukaza ukushwayela ka. Yo.
So guys, don't share questions.
Vanilla, over to you, girl.
Guys,
you
guys are the best, hey? Yes, the only time I truly laugh, guys, is when I'm with you guys, and with my friend Kamu. Sometimes you can't even laugh. It's so serious. Tense. It's not supposed to be like that, You know what I mean? I'm loving this energy and I love it a lot. Even from I love it. It's the best thing. The only thing I look forward to every week is to see my friends. That's the only thing the whole week. ngiyabona nayo yonke into engiyenzayo, but just to see you guys like yo.
Like
Okay, we understand. If because we are during the week every day, you know.
Lento like liberty
Yeah, you know. But besides na local, it's like it distance, you know. Some people chomu peace. Nyafika peace. Something as in that.
It's like, you know, we have a day like Saturday.
Saturday. Weekends, guys, imagine since weekends. I send Saturday, because Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you know what I mean? Which is that's a good thing. Like, we are growing into like, you know, we are being. So it's a good thing.
Yeah, so some shy much.
Guys, you know, and you talk about and a question. Guys, I'm going to understand. You want to know about can you see I'm in depth in when I obey your act, so okay. Into art I enjoy. That's why my comments, that's why you need to show me. I'm saying, camera.
Okay, Chumi.
Sorry, don't toss the don'ts. Don't toss the don'ts that I wouldn't toss. You understand? So guys,
Shy moto.
Question pay like vision.
we are disrupt.
Hey, PPG.
Okay, guys, it is 3. Okay, guys, get a limaza. Like
mina ngifila right hands like ngifila sex mangifakile and ngifila nice like nice mangokhasha inkingi ukuthi mawuhlala isikhathi eside
ikwenza ngithumi
emasayidini nje
ngathi
Udlale baso
siyafika and it's not like ayihlala ihleli kahle inkinga
yazi mina okay ngizokhuluma after ke
acho mina into ngiyayithanda ne mara yona lapha ngaphansi like iyakutsipa chomi
Dominic athimiyenzani uthi bela ngasakhuluma ukujayiva kahle athi yo ngapha nginamazipho ngapha ibe liyangena mangijayiva ingena
mangithi ingena
Ndevele yazi.
Ngiyayifila le nto kaDominic.
Injalo uscribe ngakhona.
ingena kakhulu iba njalo vele
Dominic.
So yeah. Like you guys. Don't pass the Sunday. Don't pass the Sunday. G-string pass the Sunday. G-string pass the Sunday. G-string je also pass the Sunday. Itong pass the Sunday.
Itong yalande emva.
Njangi. Nakala kimpo ukuthi like wo mase bambi itswena ngidilile kakhulu.
Yo
So uhlale ngami kakhulu manje. Kisha bangithi je mina itong pass the Sunday.
Yo.
So I get like lesikhumba lesivele. Yabona lesisikhumba lesivele basidalile sona vele lesi sizisigwaba sezibisithatha. Like sinesikhwama into like OP. Ngazile mara shop asekubulendo abajwala. Then like yabona nje le la like kunabantwana abayithu kuna lenyama lengathi igcwele kancane ibe lithi ngwanqu It's ipeke and moyikhipha ufila like
Yeah.
like ibambile
And njengamanje ngoba ngihleli ngathi ivula umphako ingena
iphakela ukuyasika
so you know ivula yakadikela yo cha letha ngitsokuhlala ingathi
Chuma khalangu igcoka i-G-string.
Chuma ngayithanda just
How am I time, Ben?
ngayithanda ngazi nami
Gqoka nike Tom.
soft cake
That's a tough
Calvin Klein
BVD. First time. BVD. Show me men.
Boxa Betty
And like ngisakhula since
Inyoka sebutshalini ba
Yo, inyoka semtshalini wayo tanki. Uthi la, uthi umtshana khona.
okay wenda Black Mamba
Shukuthi Black Mamba yakhe. Yo, Black Asheme yami. Mina shimi ngisakhula. Like mina kazi
Angiboni so mina ngigqoka full bhakaza ngigqoka pink angel ngigqoka pink angel
So mwana
so pink angel usalana wena hayi mina kamera ngiyagaya so pink angel ukhona full bhakaza kushuthi ngene
Wait, one thing. No, phela ipink angel things we account dog.
nakhona jo mina
Ayike true.
ngizokhapha ke mina so uzokhashwa yini wena uzokhashwa yini wena uzokhashwa yini
Show me the same.
hayi futhi uzokhapha ke umkhombelisa akamela
Mamela ke my loving.
uthi mina ngqokayo la
Mina.
ungaphikisa umnikazi noma
Name, angithi to me.
mina ngiyazi full bhakaza ngiyazi
Phela like imagine like Masa ama full pakhaso sasomntwana. Mawugqoka i-G-string, i-G-string phezu kwesende. Like in another levels. Lento egqokayo manje like sothini akusiyi angisithi paint, angisithi under i-BVD.
oh I'm sure
Yes, so the very beauty. Mara futhi mangigqoke ngigqoka nje like ngigqoke like maybe i-G-string le ngigqoke nje just nje into yasendlini kahle mama ngithengela zona ngifuna ukuzilahla so
Ukuthi mina ama BVD I don't wanna lie, I do
mina
ama-box anginawo ama-box ashini
Nawo nama babizwa ngama-boiler, yazi ama-boiler.
Yeah, ngiyabona.
Yeah, nginalawo. But wona ila ngathenga lo mama mdala but then obviously lawo ama amanye bale active, amanye bale exact, ngangithela exact.
Oh yeah.
Yebo lawo yilawo nginawo phela but nje manje hayi sonke
Lena guys they like
mina kahle mina ngomini bum shot yami bum shot yasendlini
njani bum shots man.
Mina like you guys like ngithi baba ngithengela ama-BVD I don't wanna lie. Na ama-BVD. Ukuthi nje bengagcoka mara sekunale style ukuthi ufaka ibhegi t-shirt, ibhegi pants ne-BVD. So like sengizogcoka ke
awuvumi nge-G-string bo
Chumla kakafoni like shukuthi goma goma. Chumla ki shukuthi uchumphethe goma goma. Shukuthi like uthi
Talk about 5 nje.
Who's like 60 kg?
uphethe unkena makiki
yo phethe la chere.
Juvia nawe
Okay, Jean guys, it's just okay. Ngizobantu bangibuza ukuthi ngiwathola phi ama-pills ukuthi unjomine ungasavuli uyistabane. Okay, Jean. Mina guys, okay, Jean unjomine ngiyampreventela, I prevent. Mara like ngihamba kuma private hospitals because ubaba mi usebenza right guys.
Easy.
Private hospital. Like, I'm a private school. I'm a private school. So I'm a private hospital. I am a public hospital. Show me or something. Like, guys, I'm a private. Yabo. Okay, shop. Shop. Guys, nilabenkhuluma ngokubulala njomani uneli unawaku quality breast.
Kunesinye isibani so sihlala eDetroit. Sihamba ngeAvanta. Siphana ngamapilisi. Like if like ufuna uba trans yeah, uyakupha amapilisi for free.
Okay, Chumkobuza, if we are sipping my pills for free, like Moses Funu by trans fully trans, yeah, was not.
Hey, yeah, true.
Like a good nice.
Hey,
yeah, guys, okay, sharp, but in
share the information. We my comments.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. Hope you don't have question. Did you have question?
Do a train.
Did you have question or? Betty, do you have question or? Okay, I think for today that's the end.
No,
it's not the end.
Oh, okay, Shabas kissing that in Vilanga Chachaka, they will open and with Osbosh, or high Osbosh, or say plucking Osbosh, or Shasha, or Papa. So, in a game we have to play.
Na yo pusana no opila.
Mara guys, guys, amanzi. Upunga zositshela kapi. And sorry, cause
Hayi right opula.
Mara guys opurong. Thank you.
Now you have volunteer.
I'm not going to volunteer. Baby,
Okay, guys.
Okay, sharp. Question. Oh, we listen, we don't charge. If you charge, you drink.
Okay. Yes.
You listen, we don't charge. If you charge, we drink.
Okay, let me start.
But like, we are kids who oh,
no, okay.
We listen, we don't judge. Okay, ngadliwe groove. We listen, we don't judge. Ujudge luthombi. Phuza.
Nalo oputachi.
Athi mangibheke uhleke eqala ngithi.
We listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge. Yeah, totally plus.
Kabali.
I'm a plus.
Okay, there's somebody. Yeah, we listen, we don't judge.
You know that?
Guys, what have I done?
We listen, we don't judge.
Okay, we listen, we don't judge, guys. What have I done that's bad? I don't know. I don't have anything good. No, not that.
Okay, it's a nice sugar. You
know why I say so?
It's
I think you're supposed to keep big.
Yeah.
Myself is not big. It's not like touchable.
Short when you're judging, call pose a message on.
Okay. Don't do that. Okay. Guys, don't judge me. I once, like for the first time and last time, I once gave a head at a roof. But, yeah.
We listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge. Adi, I made a mistake. We listen, we don't judge. Like, to like, I made a mistake. We don't judge.
Made a mistake, guys.
Sialalela asichachai.
Sialalela asichachai.
Mistake.
Yeah. Okay, sharp. We listen, we don't judge. Ngabamba a groove, yeah. We listen, we don't judge.
Hayi Chomi. Into normal nje Chomi.
Mara like
Leyo ufuna ukukhuluma ngayo.
Khona ngifuna leyo qala le.
Uyangijudge pause. Uyangijudge pause. We listen,
We don't judge.
I made a mistake. Ngingile muthu wawo. We listen, we don't judge.
Which mean?
But asishina amagama Chomi. We listen, we don't judge. So khona masithu. We listen, we don't judge.
Okay.
Siyalalela asijajani ngalala nothisha wami esikoleni.
We listen, we don't judge.
Normal la South Africa.
We don't judge. Ujajile.
Into normal le. Into normal lokulala nothisha nje la South Africa.
Okay, judge us please.
We listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge.
I want to listen, we don't judge.
Listen, we don't judge. Inkinga la no mic.
Listen.
I'll talk your phone.
You came late.
Akaphuzanga guys.
Yo, we listen, we don't judge.
That's a volume low more.
Ngithi mix ne Sprite.
How we clever.
Think it is the like. Ooh, Lena.
We listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't what?
We don't judge.
Yeah. Yo, angeke ngijudge manje. Ngizothula ukuthi because yo,
To me, go. We listen to don't judge.
we listen, we don't judge.
Yeah.
Angazi ngithingenza. Ngigcina impahla zikaMama zonke. Ezinye nasemsebenzini angazi.
We don't judge.
We don't judge. We listen, we don't judge.
We listen, we don't judge.
Ngeke ngashuta abantu abalele bamumu and I still have it. Balele bamumu. The guy just pulled out his and he's knocking out. And then I shoot.
Ukujajile Chumilo. Ngimolile ngumntu.
No, they were not bonile. Don't pick camera in pegile.
Aw, ngibonile nje ngijajile.
But guys, it was I was also drunk, but then I still have it just in case that the day I decided to betray.
Exposed.
We listen, we don't judge.
We listen,
But anyway, sorry guys.
we don't judge. Ngeke ngayenza ama-skip bankasi amaningi. We listen,
We don't
we don't
judge.
judge.
Siyalalela asijajani.
We listen, we don't judge. Asikhulume isiZulu. Anyway,
Siyalalela asijajani. Ngake ngahalela uMike.
Hey guys, it's Davina. Guys, please subscribe, like and view our videos. So please guys, yeah.